and gentlemen, Carla Bearer, Master John Erwin B. Ruiz, together with the Sasha Bearer, Master John Banyaga Jr. And at this point of time, may I request everyone to please stand as we witness a woman of elegance and wit as she walks along the aisle of Her Majesty Queen Jovella May the First. And Her Majesty Queen Jovella May the First is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Jobel Banyaga and Rebecca May Banyaga. She is now a grade 1 pupil under the advisory of Ma'am Anna Marie Colena T. Espejo. And our Her Majesty Queen Jovella May the First. Her ambition in life is to become a professional teacher.